Thank you for joining us again in this video series. Now today we are going to be making use of those applications which we spent our time installing in the previous video. Now we are in this video today we are going to be recording, and also we are going to be cutting off some unwanted sections from the audio we recorded, and thirdly we are going to be designing a thumbnail for the recorded sound or for the voice note. So let's go ahead to open the application which we installed. So let's open the voice recorder application, which is this. Now I'm going to do a quick recording, intentionally do some mistakes so as to cut off those mistakes in the audio cutter. So we have done our recording. So let's give the file a name. The sound we recorded, let's give it a name. I'm going to call this sound recorded. So let's play the sound that we've recorded. We're cutting it off. We are going to cut off those sections, trim it out from the audio we are uploading to the YouTube channel. So let's go to do that. How do we do that? We are going to open the application we installed. Remember, we also installed an application for cutting mp3 file to cut unwanted sections. So for that, let's open this. This was the application that we installed for that. So open it. So once the application is open, we are going to bring in that recorded file. So for we to start, click on the trim audio. Click on trim audio. This. So once you click on it, as you can see, now don't mind all these advertisements. It is because the data is on, so, and they also will have love to make their money. So let's move on. Now remember, the sound that was recorded was saved as sound recorded. This is it. This was that file. So I'm going to click on it to bring it in. You can see this is the file. Wow, this advert. So whenever you see those adverts, you can just click on close or click on the X sign on it. So let's play the recorded file to be sure that that's the file we are working on exactly. Okay. Hello, thank you for joining us in today's video. This is intentional. This is we are cutting it off. Thank you. Now what we need to do now is to be able to get those sections our trimming is starting from and where the trimming is ending. So for that, I'm going to zoom out this wave. I'm going to zoom it out. So how do you zoom out? Look at this maximize icon and minimize icon. Zoom out and zoom in icon, sorry. The zoom out and zoom in icon. So that is the button you will use to expand the wave of the audio. You can see it has now gotten more bigger. If I click on the minus, you can see it gets shrinked. It gets shrinked because I'm clicking on the minus. But if I click on the plus, it gets zoomed out. Once you click on the plus, you have to use your finger to drag it out. You can see. So let's play now.
Hello, thank you for joining us in today's video. This is.
Now as you can see, the this is starts at 5 seconds. 5 seconds in the recording process. Just watch this icon. This icon is indicating where the sound is at a certain time. Put your eyes on this icon. So let me return into. So let's start again.
Hello, thank you for joining us. Hello, thank you for joining us in today's video. This is. So
now it starts at 3 seconds. So drag that icon to 3 seconds. Now let me do this again so that you can understand very well. If I should click on the play button,
hello, thank you for joining us.
Do you observe that blue line? That blue line. Start again. There is a blue line that will start moving to the right hand side as the play button begins.
Hello,
can you see that blue line?
Join us in today's video.
Can you see that blue line?
This is.
Can you see that blue line?
Intentional.
The blue line is indicating where the sound is. So look, put your eyes on that blue line and put your eyes also on the timing. This is the timing section. You can see those seconds. You can see them. So put your eyes on those timing, and at the same time also put your eyes on that blue line. That blue line is going to show you what seconds it is at a specific time, or what minute or what hour it is at a specific time, so as to know where and when to put your trimming to start and to end. So let me do that again. Let's go.
Hello, thank you for joining us in today's video. This is.
Now we are to start to cut off the this is from 30 seconds, space of 30 seconds to the beginning. So you can see as I adjust that icon, we have some parts to have blue and green and some parts to have a white background. The section that is being painted in green is the sections that will be cut off, and the section that is painted in white are the sections that will be maintained. So for we to capture where the trimming should end, the same way we adjusted these, the same way we adjusted this icon from the left, we also need to adjust where our cutting should end. So for that, we need to adjust this also. So what? Let's just move it. Now for me to know where moving this should end, we also need to study the sound very well again.
This is.
Remember, after adjusting this to this section, our audio was not starting from the beginning anymore longer, but is now starting from where that icon indicator is. So let me play it again.
This is intentional.
Keep your eyes in that blue line.
We are cutting it off. Thank you.
Now it stopped at this 9 seconds. 9 seconds. That was where it stops. But for you to grab that very well, let me play it again.
This is
Put your eyes on that blue line and the timing.
intentional. This is we are cutting it off. Thank you.
Do you see that? So let us adjust this indicator on the right hand side to where we can be able to cut off the unwanted sections. So adjust it. Now because we've adjusted the indicator on the right hand side and the indicator on the left hand side, if we play this audio now, the play button is going to only move in between the left hand side indicator to the right hand side indicator. Let's see it.
This is intentional. This is we are cutting.
Can you see that? So because once we've gotten the unwanted sections, you can see the unwanted section is highlighted with green background color. What we need to do next is to click on this icon. Click on this icon. Click on this icon. Can you see it? This icon. That 3 dots. Click on it. Once you click on that 3 dots, also click on this cut audio in brackets remove, telling us to cut off the unwanted sections, to remove the unwanted sections. So just click on it. Observe has been cutting off and the wave file has now been reduced in size. Now let's play it to see if the unwanted area is off or not.
Hello, thank you for joining us in today's video. It's off. Thank you.
Can you see that? The unwanted area has been
Hello, thank you for
deleted.
joining us in today's video. It's off. Thank you. Hello, thank you for joining us in today's video. It's off. Thank you.
Can you see that? So our sound has been edited and is now ready to be uploaded to our YouTube channel. So what we need to do now is to save the recorded newly edited sound with a name that we can identify easily. So for you to do that, click on this word that says stream. Can you see it? Click on it. Now once you click on it, you are told to provide a file name. I will advise you to use a name that is similar to what the recorded messages or voice notes is all about. So let's give it a name. Click on that sections and give it a name. So let's change the name. So I'm going to give it another name that says sound, okay, edited sound recorded. So use it as a music. click OK. Now we've now completed the editing of the sound. Now I want to add this as a piece of advice for you not to be distracted or disturbed by bunch of ads while editing your audio. My advice is turn off your data when you are about to trim or to cut off the unwanted sections in your audio. It is turned off. The adverts that was displayed won't be displayed because those adverts works with data. So that is just a piece of advice so as you not to be distracted or by bunch of adverts popping up, playing sound, playing video. Thank you. We've come to the conclusion of this section of the video. Now in our next video we are going to be converting the audio we've edited to video and also to design the thumbnail photo for our video that we've converted, for our audio which we converted to video. So thank you. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so and like this video, comment if there's any question, and put on the notification, click on notification bell for you to be notified for every update, for every new videos we upload to our channel. So thank you, see you other time, and stay blessed.